Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to pin a chat from Snapchat to your home screen. So basically to access somebody's chat faster, just going on your home screen. So just open up your Snapchat and go to your chats. And let's say Mike Terry, just hold on to him and click chat settings. Now click pin shortcut to home screen, click add. Mike Terry shortcut created. Now let's go to our home screen and we can see that we have a shortcut created on our home screen right here. So if I now open it up, it's gonna directly send a Snapchat. So as you can see, I'm going out, and if I open it up, directly opens up the chat window. And that's how you do it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good one.